Have you ever been in a meeting that was not well controlled? One that became a bit chaotic?
Or one that went on and on because it wasn't well organized?
Those kinds of meetings can be frustrating.
For both the attendees and the person leading the meeting.
But it doesn't have to be this way. One way to avoid this is to establish totalitarian rule. One person makes all the decisions.
And nobody else gets a say. But you didn't come here for that.
A better way is found in the world of parliamentary procedure, as organized by Robert's Rules of Order.
We'll show you how to use Robert's rules in your meetings to make the decisions you need while skipping the chaos.
We'll start with the basics, defining parliamentary procedure and outlining key principles.
So, what is parliamentary procedure? In simple terms, it's a set of rules and guidelines that help organizations make decisions efficiently and fairly. Procedures are designed to ensure that speeches are given and decisions are made in an orderly fashion. Any group wanting to organize its meetings this way can utilize parliamentary procedure. Think of it like the plan of action for your meetings, providing structure, fairness, and order.
Why is this important? For one thing, without a plan, a meeting can easily become unproductive and inefficient.
Imagine it, interruptions and confusion and chaos reigning supreme.
In a worst-case scenario, maybe. But seriously, without structure, meetings often go off course with side discussions and end without accomplishing anything, or don't result in needed decisions.
And parliamentary procedure provides the necessary planned order, enabling functional meetings to prevail.
Now, for Robert's Rules of Order. Named after Brigadier General Henry M. Robert, these rules have been guiding meetings since the 19th century. Other manuals on parliamentary procedure exist, but Robert's Rules is well known.
It's been widely used in many contexts by governments, boards, and unions.
And by churches, homeowners associations, fraternal organizations, and nonprofits.
Robert's Rules of Order is like the granddaddy of parliamentary procedure. Let's look at some of its foundational principles.
The key principles include being respectful and polite, giving everyone a chance to speak through fair debate, and making decisions using an ordered process in which all votes are counted equally and every member has rights, including those who are absent.
Let's acknowledge that at times people have used parliamentary procedure to control discussion and dominate meetings for their own purposes, which goes against the spirit of Robert's Rules, yet provides us with another reason for learning how to navigate this world of parliamentary procedure.
Robert's Rules of Order is designed to ensure that decisions are made fairly and transparently, and that every voice is heard. To that end, decisions are made by the majority, but the minority's right to speak and vote is protected.
To make this more tangible, let's consider a scenario. Imagine your organization needs to select a new vendor for a crucial project. The excitement is there, but so is the chaos. You've got members interrupting each other, talking over one another, and the confusion is palpable. One person proposes a vendor, and before those assembled can even discuss it, someone else jumps in with a completely different idea. It's a mess. This is where parliamentary procedure swoops in like a superhero.
Well, if not a superhero, at least a referee. But since parliamentary procedure doesn't swoop, let's just say this would be a situation where we wish it would. Let's consider how parliamentary procedure could work better in that scenario. Someone could introduce a motion to discuss each vendor one at a time. A motion is a formal proposal to make a decision, propose a specific action, or address a particular issue during the meeting.
A motion proposing to discuss each vendor one at a time would give each member of the team a chance to explain their choice without interruptions. When it comes time to make a decision, the group would follow a structured voting process, ensuring that the final choice is fair and represents the majority. This not only brings order to the meeting, but ensures that decisions are made thoughtfully and inclusively.
Also, if this is a group that values consensus building, listening to each proposal respectfully would go a long way toward that.
Right. Roberts calls for a majority vote for main motions, but your organization can use the discussion time to seek to build consensus among members.
Think of it like a roadmap or GPS, keeping you on the right path and ensuring everyone reaches a destination, a decision, together. Robert's Rules of Order provides the mechanism for reaching that decision. It's the plan of action for your meeting.
So, knowing the plan for how a meeting should go will help you to effectively conduct your meetings.